Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Andine's Kitchen. Are you tired of spending hours in the kitchen just to make a decent dinner? Say goodbye to boring meals and hello to sizzling pork and cabbage skillet. It's quick and easy and most importantly, delicious. Trust us, your taste buds will thank you. Let's get cooking, guys. Here today I have some grounded pork. It is 85% lean and 15% fat. So I'm gonna incorporate my seasoning. A half tablespoon of paprika, a half tablespoon of black pepper and cloves, a half tablespoon of scotch bonnet, a half tablespoon of curry powder and turmeric powder. This is my blended mixed seasoning, so it's going to be a tablespoon. This is diced ginger, a tablespoon and a half. My Himalayan salt, 1 tablespoon. Some fresh thyme. Fresh seasoning is very nice and flavorful for your any dish that you're creating, guys. And I also have 5 cloves of fresh garlic tenderized. Any meat that you use garlic in, it's a really good tenderizer, and garlic is healthy for you. So I am kneading everything together, and I'm gonna let it sit at least for 10 to 15 minutes. Love God family, in Andine's Kitchen, it's best to season any meat that you're cooking ahead of time. Most people use only salt and pepper, but if you add other seasoning, you get maximum flavor. So the pork is partially cooked, as you can see. So who can tell me what this is? This is the big part of the broccoli. So this is some broccoli, some tomatoes, some sweet baby carrots, some green onion, otherwise called scallion, some baby bell peppers. So everything is going in, guys, and then we're going to incorporate, and then we're going to add some purple cabbage. Cabbage is very healthy for the body. It's good for your joints. It helps with inflammation, and it's a nice source of fiber.
And guys, this is your one pot pork and cabbage skillet. No need to make another dish. This is the one dish.
Add in your purple cabbage. Love God family, how does Andine's Kitchen look to you? Leave a comment answering that question, and please suggest dishes that you would probably like me to do. Looking beautiful. Love God family, on the side here I have some cabbage. I'm doing the ear roast on them to get a nice charred look. Beautiful. So I'm gonna put it back and let it go a little bit more. So love God family, we in Andine's Kitchen we like to use organic, and as you can see it says gluten-free. Some marinara sauce I'm gonna put on the bottom of my plate. Coming in with my
Ground pork and cabbage skillet mix. That's the ground pork with all the vegetables.
So I'm gonna garnish with some ear roasted cabbage. clean up the edge a little bit, guys, so you can take a nice look when I rotate it. Beautiful. If you learn anything, if you love anything, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching to the end.